Welcome to today's 10 minutes mobility everyday routine. And today we'll be doing a simple but deeply connecting routine on the chair. So I call it Chair Works. And all you need to do is get a comfortable chair with a firm surface or a stool like I prefer a stool because it's more likely to get a stool with a firm surface than a chair. I put a mat under my feet. You can also just put it on the floor. That's okay. Now, when you're seated, just make sure that your pelvis or your hips is in line with the knee or higher than that. Now, you're going to bring one leg and put it on your thighs and bend to the front. Now excuse the base of my foot that is directly facing the camera. Yeah, this is always something I forget, so I hope you don't mind. So bend your knee, put it over the other leg and bend over, scoop your belly in. Do it very slowly. You will feel your lower back slowly opening up as you allow yourself to go a bit lower each time. Good. I have my palm covering a little bit of the base of the foot here, so it doesn't look so, frontal facing the camera. Again, apologies for that. You can also use your hand to kind of roll out your thigh like I do right now, so that you open up the hips more, and that will help you to bend forward more. Looking down to the floor. Slowly opening up your spine, especially the lower back more. Straighten both legs here, flex them, and make your legs as straight as possible. Slide your hand down and look to the front, straighten your spine out. Curl your spine back, scoop your belly in here, and then straighten up your spine, looking in front, arching it a bit, and curl your spine back, but not all the way. Really feel like you are moving the spine segmentally. When your legs are in this position, you will have to really work from the lower back, mid back, followed by the upper back, and the head will naturally look up. Same thing when you curl back here, you will curl back from your lower part of the spine and all the way towards the top of the head, looking at your belly button. Check that your legs are as straight as they can be, flex more, and bring your toes towards you if you can, more towards you. Letting your head relax and let your head follow the movement of the spine and the neck. Now bring your legs back to bending, both legs together, and rotate your spine to one side, looking diagonally up, and bring your body down a little bit only. So as you do that, you are lengthening the torso of the opposite side. So if you're rotating to the right, you're actually lengthening the torso of the left side. Gradually let your head loosen up as your hands move lower down the shin. Your spine moves lower, your head can also relax down more, but still keep your gaze up towards at a diagonal or side angle. Hold it there. Take your time and slowly come back up. We're going to change the position of the chair now. Have your elbows slightly at the edge of the chair here, but not so much that you don't get the support. Bend your elbows, looking down in between your elbows here. And slowly straighten up the arms and curl back a little bit. Note that the weight of your body remains where it is. We are doing with small spine movements first. So as you arch looking in front, bend your elbows, bring your hands towards you. Then straighten your arms, curl your spine, looking down at your belly button. Curl your toes in. And note that your pelvis might move a little bit together with the spine, but it doesn't go up and down too much. You're basically staying at the same angle, doing the spinal movement between straightening, bending the elbows, straightening the elbow, and curling. Take your time to feel your underarm opening up. The sticky bits right under your armpits that don't open up easily, but it could actually make our ribs and our torso shorter because when it's tight, it will actually pull our front body down. By doing this simple movement, we are releasing the knots that accumulate in the underarm area. Shift the position a little bit away from the stool. You can sit back a little bit more here. Your elbows are still in the position of the edge of the chair. We're going to make the arching and curling of the spine a little bit bigger now. So when you arch the spine, bring your pelvis closer to the heel more, that you're able to straighten and arch the spine more. And then you try to press your elbows down, still bending, pressing your forearm down. Shift your pelvis and your weight forward, going into a deeper curl. So press your forearm down and let your whole body weight transfer to the front more. You will have a longer curl spine, which is a very different feeling compared to what you did just now, which basically moved the spine at the same angle, same position. Right now there is a shifting to the back as you straighten and arch the spine a little bit, and shifting to the front as you curl and bring your weight forward. So we are essentially doing a longer straightening, arching, and a longer curling by bringing the weight to the front. Take your time and do this slowly and feel how your spine is responding. Lengthen your legs under the stool and slowly just put your arms slightly at the edge of the chair or stool. Adjust as you need. Keep your spine long, keep your legs straight, and gently just bring yourself a little bit further front and lower each time. Pausing a little bit here, straightening out your hamstrings, adjusting as you need. You can hold the higher or lower part of the stool, it's up to you. But we want both our hamstrings and our spine to elongate. Have your forehead touching the stool. That is actually a good gauge that you are elongating, but you're not dropping all the way, you're not collapsing. So move your hands, pulsing your spine. As you move your hands a little bit up and down, like I, because this way you are lengthening the hamstrings, bringing it to a more intense lengthening and loosening it as you bring the arms up. And slowly move your arms back. And that is all I have for this video. Short and sweet. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions or any comments. I'd love to hear from you. Keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. Of course, as always, like, share, subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. And see you very soon in the next video. Take care and have a lovely day.